Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your windshield wiper blades. Now mine are pretty junk and they're old. That should not be doing that. You might have a lock on yours, then again it might be just like mine. So what you do is you just open it up like this, and then you push it down, and then you just slide it out like that. This right here is junk. Like, go over to your very cheap set of windshield wiper blades. Mine are 18 on both, so I can take them both out on a date. Alright, so now that you got your new one, what you want to do is figure out how the little loop piece fits inside of here, and then you just want to slide this one up just like that, and then just pull it up until it clicks. There you go, new windshield wiper blade on. There it is, baby.